Hello students, today we will see how to write an algorithm to check whether a person is eligible for voting or not. So first tell me when you can say the person is eligible for voting when his age is equal to or greater than 18, then that person is eligible for voting. When his age is less than 18, that person is not eligible for voting. So we need a value from a person that is known as a age. We have to say a person to enter your age, or we will read input value as age. We will check whether that age is greater than 18 or not, and if the age is greater than or equal to 18, we will say person is eligible for voting. Otherwise we will say person is not eligible for voting. So our first step is step. Which step is first step? Step 1, that is start. Now the second step. What I told you before this, what will be the second step? Sorry, I have to put there colon. What is second step? What we have to take as input? Age. So we will say read age. Okay. Now step 3. So step 3 is what? We have to compare the age with the number 18. So we have to use here if and else. If age is greater than or equal to 18, now we will follow the same procedure as a if else. We will say, go to step 4, else go to step 5. Okay. So now our step 4 is what? Print you are eligible for voting. And now we have to jump to the last step because our work is done here. So we have to write here, go to step 6. Now step 5. Step 5. What will be the step 5? We have printed in step 4 that you are eligible for voting, because we have checked his age in step 3 that if the age is greater than or equal to 18, then we have to go step 4 where we are saying that you are eligible for voting. Now the step 5 is that print. What you have to print? You are not eligible for voting. Not eligible for voting. And now the step 6. What will be the step 6? You all have to remember that is STOP, stop. So here our algorithm is completed. We have simply checked the values entered by user, that if the value is greater than or equal to 18, and then we have performed the execution of program as our logic. That our logic is that if the person is greater than or equal to 18, he can be vote. That he is eligible for voting. Otherwise, he is not. So you should know what are the conditions